Linking your bank account to Gust can streamline your financial management and investment processes. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Create or log into your Gust account. Visit the Gust website or open the app. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you are new, sign up by providing the required information to create an account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account management options. Step 3. Select bank account linking option. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information. This usually includes your bank name, account number, and routing number. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid any issues with the linking process. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank details, Gust may require you to verify your account. This can involve confirming small deposits made to your account or using your bank's online verification process. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Gust. You can now manage your finances more effectively.